Hey guys, it's Harold here. My friends at CDW sent me some cool things, super cool things I like to do when, in the spare time of this Corona thing we're in. Just want to start off with the Lenovo T530 Tower Legion. I'm sure it's pretty sweet. I would use other words, but it's got a really cool exterior design, but super excited just to, obviously get going with it. The box is pretty sweet. So I'm going to leave it in here since I just don't want to break it. I'll be using it later this afternoon. Also want to show this 27-inch monitor from Lenovo that I'm sure I still won't be seeing the people coming to me shooting me as fast as I need to not to die, but this is the best option for gaming, and I'm obviously super excited. These are the headphones. This will quiet all the noise of my fiance so I can focus for a lot of hours. Focus a little bit better than I do when, I'm on the golf course. The keyboard. I might not know how to type, but I know how to play games with this. Just looking forward to having a good all-night session with this. We got the Lenovo M500 mouse. Looks super sleek. Can't wait to use it. Hey guys, just want to say thank you for the awesome gear. I'm looking forward to getting some action soon, like in the next couple minutes. But for now, stay safe.